Alright, my guys, my friends, welcome to the Excel to App series again. Today is gonna be different. Okay, so wait, let me just say welcome to the Excel to App series, where we learn how to make apps and automate our regular tasks done in Excel by leveraging free online tools. Now, today's episode is gonna be a little different because I might not make an app today. Nah. Today's episode are dependent on an issue gotten from a forum I follow. One of my Excel groups I follow, it's called the Microsoft Excel group in Facebook. I usually go there to stalk them for problems. And one of my guys, a fellow member in the group, Jamie Phillips, shared his an issue he had and he wants automated. So in this episode, I'm not really going to make the app because it's a little technical, but I'll just show you what it is. I'm going to do something for him. So let's just watch what he says. I'm going to trace the issue together. So here goes the issue.
So I'm working on reception at a gym, which used to be all done by people writing their, names and telephone numbers and stuff in the book. However, I want to transfer it over to the computer. I'm not great at Excel. I did it in school. That was about it. So my question is, basically, sheet 1 is going to be the name, the sign in, the sign out times, telephone, whether they're a member and when their renewal is due. And sheet 2 is basically a database of all of the members, if that makes sense. So I would like to be able to type in phone number on sheet 1. So let's say come over here and type in, for example, just the number 1 to pretend that's a phone number, and it automatically fills in the name, the member, whether they got a membership, and the renewal date, which should be in a database here. So that's how I've set it up for practice. So the telephone number will be 1, whatever the function would be to autofill the name, member, and the renewal. Can you let me know, because I've gone through all of the functions in, I should say I'm using OpenOffice, but I've gone through all of the functions and I can't really find anything that looks like it does exactly what I want it to do. But yeah, I want to type in a phone number, not a name, because people can have multiple multiple people can have the same name, if that makes sense. So just name, telephone number, member, whether they're a member or not, or and renewal, or just auto-filled just with the telephone number. So then as soon as someone comes up to the desk, I can just ask for a telephone number and assign them in straight away without them having to write down in a book. Thank you. Bye.
Okay. That was Jamie discussing his issue there, and this is the way I would solve it for him, just to make his life easier. So what I've done is I've done exactly as I have two sheets. What I have done is I have 2 sheets. I did one exactly as he requested, exactly what he said I did. And there's one that I did that is better than what he is requesting for. Even though I'm not there with him, I don't know if what I don't know if what he likes, so I don't know if he'll like it. But based on what he said, I assume, which we should never do in my career in software development, this will be better. But still, let's get back to it. Let me show you what I did based on his request. So based on his request, I created 2 sheets. So what I said, there's member sheet and there's daily attendance sheet. So according to what he said, they have name, email, member, sign. They don't have this, but I just added this. They have the renewal dates and renewals. They don't have this, but I added. There are some things that I just wanted to add just for the hell of it. But I assume or think it's good to be added to him. And in his daily attendance, what he wants is when someone enters any phone number here, it auto populates all of this. And I could teach you how to do it. I can show you techniques. All you have to do is there's a formula in Excel popularly known as VLOOKUP. It's very, very popular formula in Excel. You should look it up. I can show you what it does. Here, this is what I'm going to show you this. So what I did was I filled up the sheet with mock data. I got some mock data and I filled up like this. So all of this is just random mock data I filled up with. So this is random name, telephone, email. They don't get email in it. In the video you showed there was no email, but at least I know it's not a bad addition. So it has membership, members or non-members. It didn't have this, but it had this, and I added the renewal date. And what it wants to do is just to add a phone number, and so what it wants to do is add a phone number here, and boom, the member's name populates. So I've already done. There's something called VLOOKUP. So in VLOOKUP, all you need to do is just use your equals to. This is my formula already written out here, and I'm not even going to try and. This is the formula here, and I want to assume my friend that made this request really doesn't care or want to even know what VLOOKUP is, because there's a whole course on it. I could teach you, but I just want to show you what you want to see. Let me go straight to the point and how this thing I made work. I use VLOOKUP to do it. That's the end. And if you want a tutorial on it, there are courses on it. I could teach you if you want, but let me get to what you want to see. So you're going to see this is my mock data, and this, let's assume is your daily attendance sheet here based on what you said. So if I just copy any phone number here, and maybe in morning, you can see. So if I pick any number here, and you can see. So look at this one that ends with 2000. Maybe I copied it. It got his name, which is Jeffy, and he's a member, and whatever. Yeah, his sign up date, which was not in what you requested, but since this is a system, I think it's good you guys keep it. And since this sheet is an automated one for you, it doesn't cost you anything but just your first time you're entering this. The only time you ever want to use this sheet is just one time. Here, all you need to just copy this again. Let's copy this Killian. I'll copy Killian. You can see, boom, it auto populates. So what I use VLOOKUP to do it, and it's very easy. I can show you if you want to. But this is not really an Excel class. This is an app making class. I can, but I don't want to show you. I don't want to waste your time. And if the summary of all this talk is, if you want to download this, if this is exactly what you want, if you want to download this, if you click down below, you see the link there for you to download. All you need to just sign up, and you get this exact sheet that is here. So all you need to just come and clear this up and use it anyhow you want to. And this is based on what you requested earlier in your videos. Now, this is the end of this video. You can just download this sheet down. If you click on the button, if you look down below, click on this, you just get your sheet and go. But I did something that I assumed, keyword being assumed, will be better. So my guy, this is one I said I assumed will be better. So if you have your first name and last name, which I assume you should get rather than just one name, jumbling it up together. You have telephone, email, you have sign up here, and this one, check this out. This is my name here, my surname. Let's assume this is my phone number. Actually, it kind of is 234 808 570 1964, and let's assume this is my company email. Copy, paste. So let's assume that's my email. So look at this cool thing. I made a drop down for you. Let me zoom in so it's cool. I made a drop down for you so you can change from member to non-member, and you can change the dates. Okay. So I also made it free. Let me make it freeze. So look at this. So I just did that right now, real time. So because that's the thing about these things, it's always it's like life. Everything involves improvement. So I just did that update like right now. It wasn't like this before, but I just did that right now. Maybe my renewal date was the date. Let's assume it's I'm recording this 20. You're gonna see this on 26 most likely. So renewal date. Oh, okay, no, I did this. I did this on 26th of August 2020. Let's say you're giving me just 9 or 1 month. So let's assume you're giving me 1 month. 1 month. I don't know the period. How you guys calculate it? That's why this has to be entered. If not, if it was a 1 month period, I can do that. It shows 1 month or 8 months. By the way, these are random days. They're not really exactly. I don't know how you guys, if it's weeks or months. That's why you have to enter it yourself. But let me get back to it. So apart from this being a drop down for you, which is cool, you have your daily attendance again. So I can just go and copy when you are doing your own thing, just go and copy my email. Or if you know my phone number, whatever, copy my phone number. And if you paste it here, boom, my name pops up. And you can do your sign in, sign out thing, and it's automatically done, and everybody is happy. And there's one fun part I added for you. There's a report. So you can see there's a little dashboard here for you. Isn't this cool? So you must forgive me for being selfish, but I added a little background here for you to remember me, since I'm giving it to you for free, so you will not forget the person that did it for you. But hey, so check it out. It's just counting the members, and it's counting how many are here. So I'm not counting the non-members. Yeah, so that's that. So you can see 22 members, and I'm counting number here. And you can see your attendance is still intact. You can still do your. I don't want to type without the numbers because I don't know if offhand, but I can just paste it, and you can see everything is filled up. So even if 10 years later this person becomes a non-member, you can just, okay, this guy has signed out, non-member, and everybody's happy. If I come here, automatically Leo becomes a non-member. So if I copy Diane's phone number again, just to fill this place up, and you can see it fills it. And if I turn Diane to a member, let's say I just turn her to a member, boom. So Diane is now a member automatically in the daily attendance. All I need to just refresh it a little, or wait a little to refresh. You can see it refreshing, calculating. So automatically it refreshes itself, it calculates every time, and your dashboard is doing its thing. And the awkward part is I saw you're using open something, and I think you should kind of port to Excel if you want. Like I said, this is an Excel sheet. You can download this one too. This one too is free for you. If you click down below, you see the free for Excel. You see the better one free. If you need any help, again, you can send me a mail or comment down below. I would respond. Now, there's also a third option for you. If you want me to put it for you online with Google Sheets, I could do that for you. Just exact same thing. You knock yourself out. All right. But there's one thing I want to show you. What about something like this? Let me show you this. I can or have made an app for you. Think about it, where you don't even kind of have to do much anymore, right? You're just like, click on this. Your customers will search for themselves. Sellers, let's assume this. When they just click on sellers, they just click on their name here, sign in, and it registers the time, and you can see, and they save it, or you can do this for them. So I can make an app for you that will make that faster, easier, smoother. And maybe in future in this channel I will show how to make this, but this video was really entirely made for you, because of you, due to you. So I hope you have it, and other people in this situation. So at least I've given you guys 2 free stuffs, whichever one that you like to use, you can download it. You can click on the link below and download them. Or if you want me to do one, custom made, or for some reasons to make things faster or easier, I could make your life a little bit easier and faster. So if you hit me up, we could work. And I guess that's it. Thank you very much for listening. If you want any of these, there's no workbook for my regular listeners to download. If you want any of these sheets, or if you need any of these attendance register sheets for receptionists that maybe it could help you, or you want some more features, well, I could make one for you, or you could use this one the way as is and work with it. And I guess that's it. Thank you very much, Jamie Phillips. Shout out to Jamie Phillips for dropping the issue and helping everybody get a solution. So big ups to Jamie Phillips. So big ups to Jamie Phillips and Microsoft Excel group for sharing the issues. Probably shout out to me for helping you. So as we always say, that's it, but that's not all. I thank you very much for the patience. Thank you for listening. Thank you for the audience. If you want to practice along, there's no data for you to download this time, or if you want these sheets, it's directly in the link below. You need to just click on the link. It takes you to where you get you sign in, you get your email, and you get the link directly. And if you have any questions or issues, you could ask questions in the comment section and I will get back to you on it. If you want someone to make something like this for you, either custom or you want something exactly like this, you can send me a mail at coach@officegeeksupport.com or comment down below and I definitely will get back to you. As I always say, I'm not a huge fan of having a million followers. I'm a huge fan of impacting one person, just one person, contributing positively to someone's journey. And if that person is you, I hope, I ask you to subscribe so that you get better in your journey and learn some new tips and tricks while you work. And if topics like this resonate with you, you should hit the notification button so that anytime I drop a new video or a new topic or a new issue, you get notified. With that, I say a big thank you and I love you and take care of yourself. Peace.